Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I have a DIY project I'm going to be sharing with you. And I shared these Simply Grateful placemats recently in a haul video from Hobby Lobby. They came in like a pack of 24, I believe, and they're just made of paper, and they were very inexpensive at Hobby Lobby. So I had the idea to decoupage it on this wood sign that I have in front of me. So I'm going to be doing that, but you could also decoupage this on anything really that you have already at home, maybe like a breakfast tray or any kind of tray. It would be super cute decoupaged on a tray, I think. Or any wood sign that you have at home that you want to just do a makeover on and change it up. But there's so many different things you guys could do with these placemats. The ideas are endless, but I am going to be using this wood sign that I purchased from the craft department, the craft area at Walmart. And they have these in different sizes and different finishes. They have this whitewashed, which I'll be using. It's kind of a white distressed look, and they also have a stained wood signs like this as well. And I'll be using a 16 by 20 inch today for this project. And it does not come with any hangers on the back, but you could put a picture hanger on the back, or you could also drill holes if you wanted to, and use the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. So that would be a way to hang it as well. But for my purposes, I will not be needing to hang this right now, so I'm not going to be doing that. I have already traced with my ruler where I want to trim the placemat off. So I'm going to be trimming this end off, and it'll just be it will be lined up with this area here, this line in the wood. So it will let the wood be a little more exposed on this side to match the bottom and the top. So I've already measured both sides, and I'll start by trimming the ends off, and then I will be using my Mod Podge that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, but you can also purchase this at Walmart or any craft supply store. And then I'll just be using my sponge brush to apply it, that also can be purchased at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, or any craft supply store. So let's go ahead and get started on this little project here.